Hey everyone, so welcome to my iBUYPOWER unboxing video. This is my second computer from iBUYPOWER. The first one I got probably about 6 or 7 years ago, so it was time for an upgrade. So now that we have it open, let's open it. That's the important part. That's the exciting part. Other than, of course, setting it up. That's a little bit more exciting. Just take a second to look how giant this box is. And how nicely foam covered it is and padded. Since I'm sure these can take quite a beating. Now we have a second box to open. Just look at how much foam is in here. That's always so nice because then I always freak out when boxes that contain very expensive products are not so well covered and protected. So this is the fun part, right? Trying to get this out of the box. That's always the most difficult. Probably gonna have to flip it gently so I can slide it out. We have more foam, which is awesome. And then we have some nice zip ties. And of course, cables and user manuals, but let's take a bit of a gander. So pretty, so heavy. Remember people, take this out before you turn your system on. Come on now, don't be stupid. That thing. So nice. Ta-da! We have 2 solid-state drives for hard drive and data drive. Some awesome cooling because it's important. Some nice RAM, motherboard, awesome graphics card. I think that's gonna definitely be a massive improvement over my last one. Let's get it set up. Alright, it's ready to start. Glowing all nice and pretty red. Let's turn it on. Jesus Christ, that's bright. But cool. Now I have the long, tedious task of putting all the stuff that I have on that on here. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, and you should go check out iBUYPOWER. They're pretty awesome.